Hello everyone, I will speak English on a camera every single day until get fluent in English. And I'm glad to welcome you in day number 15. Let's continue doing IELTS speaking practice, because speaking the most important part, and this is exactly what I'm gonna to improve doing this challenge. Yes sir, let's begin.
Who is your favorite celebrity?
My favorite celebrity right now is Kevin Hart, is actor, comedian genre, and I like him because he participates not only filming movies, but in a podcast on YouTube and stream, like with the Kai Cenat. I saw the stream, I really enjoyed this. Participate on TV shows as well, different entertainment content. I really like his style of humor and follow him in the social medias.
Would you like to be a celebrity?
Actually, this is not my goal, but if everything will turn like this, I would, I guess, to be a celebrity in the future. Maybe some influencer who can help people with some, be professional in some area, and develop myself on YouTube, because I will upload content on YouTube for many years.
Are there any celebrities that you do not like?
It's pretty difficult to recall it right now in the moment. I suppose that I just don't pay enough attention to the people who I don't like, and because of this I can't remember them right now at the moment. It better be focused and follow people what you really like.
What is your favorite item of clothing?
My favorite item of clothing is sneakers. To specify is I prefer Nike company, and I like Nike sneakers.
Are there any traditional clothes in your country?
Yes.
Yeah, of course there is a type of traditional clothes in our country, in Russia. It is like a shirt. I can demonstrate it to you right now. Look at this. This is Russian traditional village clothes, village shirt, and people used to wear it probably several centuries ago when they went to work in the field. But now in Russia no one wear it in daily life. Everyone wear a normal, classic, standard like t-shirts, jeans, sneakers, and just a classic clothes.
Do you ever buy clothes online?
Of course I buy clothes online. This is the most popular way of getting clothes and any goods right now in the modern world. In Russia we have two huge the main services to buy this kind of things. It can save you much more time. You have big assortments. It's unlimited. You can buy literally everything what will you find in internet. But in a real store you can buy only what is there.
Now let's talk about colors. What colors do you like?
I don't have my favorite color, only one, but I like green. I like green sneakers. About this decorating room, as you can see, I prefer blue sound because this is such calm and nice, very nice color. About t-shirts, I can wear something white, something blue, black. It's no matter. It depends more on style what I will choose in every day.
What's the most popular color in your country?
The most popular color in Russia is black. Black, because if you will go out in a street, you will see that everyone wear black clothes. Really rarely people wear something a bright color mixed some reds, blue, green, yellow. Nah, mostly just black. About cars, also it's black or gray or white.
Do colors affect your mood?
Absolutely, colors affect my mood and I guess every person mood. For example, let's talk about weather outside. When we see in Russia such a climate, mostly winter, it's cold, everything is gray and a bit dull atmosphere. But when it turns to summer season and you see that city is full of green trees. Everything is green, sun, blue sky. Your mood is getting better and you feel better, you feel more happy. All right, everyone, thanks for being here and watching my speaking challenge. Speaking practice is done. Bye bye. Learn languages, guys. Let's go.